is how you can log in into your Mycigna healthcare provider account. This is really easy, so before we move on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let us start. First, just open up your web browser. Any web browser is fine. I'll be using Google Chrome. So after you do that, just search for Cigna provider portal, and after you do that, if you scroll down a bit, you can see Cigna's main profile, main website right here, and the one we want, you can directly log in through here too. As here you can see Cigna, log into Cigna for HCP. Now the one we are going to use is this Cigna Health Benefits. Now just tap on that and open it up. Now there you can see Cigna's healthcare login sites. Now if you are planning to log in as a member, just tap on plan member login, or if you are an employee, just tap on employer login, and so on. And after you do that, there you can see for the plan member login, you just need to type in your personal reference number, tap on remember me, and if you tap on continue, you will be just logged in. The other is employer's login. Now here you need to type in your username and just type in your password, and after you do that, just tap on login and you'll be logged in into your account. Also, if you have forgotten your password, it's right here, the option to reset it. And that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you log into your Cigna's account. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.